let's move on to the next step. So this is sample template for business model canvas, and this is provided by Alex Osterwalder. And it has these 9 sections: key partner, key activities, key resources, and these other sections. So this is the template. So in this next step, what we are going to do is we will use the ChatGPT prompt, which is written by us, and basically we'll run it in ChatGPT and generate the response from ChatGPT for this business model canvas. Let's do that. I'm just going to copy this prompt from here. And now I'm going to go to an active session of ChatGPT. In my case, I'm going to reuse the existing thread which we have used before. The reason for that is because in the existing thread, I have already generated a product vision board for the same product. If you are producing product management deliverables for the same product, I'll suggest you to continue using the same thread rather than creating a new chat. But if you are doing deliverable for a different product, then use a new chat window. So let's do that. I'm going to paste the ChatGPT prompt which I have generated before. I will just fix some spelling errors or grammar in it. And I'm going to submit this through send a message to ChatGPT, and we'll see what is the response ChatGPT is going to produce. So ChatGPT has now produced a response. If you look at the response quickly, what it is doing is it produces the customer segments. For example, avid readers, casual readers, scholars, and academicians, gift shoppers. And then also against these headings, what ChatGPT has done is given a one-liner description of it. For example, avid reader, it have given further description of avid reader, which are individuals who read regularly and are looking for a diverse range of books. Casual readers are people who read occasionally and are open to exploring new titles. It has given one-liner against each of the output. Again, let's have a quick look at value proposition. So it is saying extensive book catalog, and then it's giving a description of it, offering a vast and diverse section of books across genres. So I was only expecting ChatGPT produce this headlines, not the description, but ChatGPT have given me both headlines as well as description for each of the section. So what I'm going to do now is I will quickly put the response which ChatGPT has produced for this business model canvas in our PowerPoint. And then what we'll do is we will have a review it against the guidelines provided by the author of business model canvas. Firstly, one key refinement I'm going to do here is when I'm producing, adding it to my template, I will not add descriptions which are produced by ChatGPT for each of these headlines. I will only keep the headlines. For example, in customer segment, I will only keep avid readers, casual readers, scholars, and academics, and gift shoppers. I will not add the description of each headline to the template. I'll keep them in reading notes or reference notes so that we know what each of these section means, but I'll not add it to the actual template. Let me do that quickly offline, and let's review the results which are produced by ChatGPT in light of the guidelines provided by the author of Business Model Canvas.
Here's a quick recap of what we accomplished in this video. You saw how to run a structured ChatGPT prompt to generate a draft business model canvas. ChatGPT not only produced the main section headings but also added helpful one-line descriptions for clarity. You learned how to selectively use that output, keeping the headlines for visual presentation and saving the descriptions for reference notes. And finally, you understood why keeping related deliverables in the same chat thread helps maintain continuity. These techniques will help you create high quality product strategy artifacts quickly and consistently. Thank you for following along with this practical walkthrough. You now know how to take a ChatGPT Gen AI prompt and turn it into a tangible business model canvas that's ready to refine and share. In the next video, we'll evaluate the generated business model canvas using official guidelines. See you in the next video, where we bring even more structure and clarity to your innovation process.